Okay, a couple of Ford 70s model Ford 302s here. So this one here just got the rotating assembly tore out of it today. This one here was a long block. Somebody had it in a Bronco, and you can see one of the heads right there, and the intake that's on it. But anyway, it's pretty messed up. I'm not worried about it. Somebody had welded a plug in there, and I tried to get it out, and anyway, I think this block is junk. It's like 40,000 silver anyway. This one here is a standard bore, but it's got some, it may clean up okay at 30 or 40 over. It's got some ridge up top, but it may be a usable block. There is a couple of bolts that got to be extracted out, so that may be a problem. Anyway, I wanted to tear it down just in case there's usable parts or want to sell some of the parts. So tore it down. I mean, main caps fit nice and tight. Seems pretty nice. I got the cam to turn over. The lifters were everything was a little messed up, but it's probably usable. Show you the crankshaft. Okay, so here's two crankshafts. This is the one that came out of that long block, and it's probably not even worth using. It's been turned down, and here's the one out of the, so this is out of check the ID, it's out of a 74 and looks to be out of a Falcon. This one is like a 78 out of a Lincoln, and checked it with my little, for what it's worth, I checked it with that, and here's some numbers. That's the 74 Falcon motor. This is the 78. That's the one that's been turned. So, looks pretty crazy. But anyway, this one here, I'm assuming it would clean up. I mean, there's some light scratching, but I guarantee you, I'm thinking this would probably be your better bet. Anyway, just small block Ford junk. And there's the rods. These are the rods that came out of the 78 motor that was in a Bronco. I did some change out. I did some trade work. I tore down a motor and whatnot, and somebody gave me two motors. So what's crazy about this is we got different. See, these are like the better known Ford rods. These three, but unfortunately, there's three right there. But then look at the rest of them. They're not even the same. Not even a matching set. Probably doesn't matter, but I thought that's pretty weird. But from what I've heard, these rods here are better if you're going for performance. It looks to make sense. So anyway, here's some junk. That's it.